Good morning. We are back on the trail doing 7 miles today from the Crampton shelter area to alternate Route 40. So it's going to be about 4 miles gradual ascent to a little bit of an overlook looking over the Middletown Valley, and then from there it should be mostly downhill. So we'll bring you some views. So we have a little less than a mile to go to the next shelter, and we're gonna stop and have some lunch and hopefully get our second wind. It's been a rocky day, ups and downs, so need some energy. With 1 more mile to go, how are you feeling?
I feel much better. There's only 1 mile.
It's been rocky up and down, and
Backpack.
although it's only been 80 degrees, it's been hot, and we're carrying the heaviest packs we've ever carried. So yeah, we're both exhausted, feeling it, ready to get, been an adventure, ready to get to the car.